Today we are going to retrieve the data from our mobile phones. Okay, see here one app is there. It's an see first we'll open an Play Store. Here we are opening Play Store, and here type as a disk digger, and then search disk digger and search. See here I have already installed it, that's why it came as open, and you people just type it as disk digger and then search, and then there will option come as install, and you install it, and then after installing, here open will appear, and just click on open, and this after opening, the page will appear like this. See here, disk digger, basic scan, no root, and here we can see some icons. One is camera icon, search for lost photos, and second option is there, search for lost videos. See, in search for lost photos, we can retrieve the deleted data from photos. Whatever photos deleted data was there, we can retrieve entire photos. And here search for lost photos, whatever lost videos. So whatever data was deleted, video deleted data, it will retrieve the entire deleted data of the videos. And here third option, there it came as a tip. Eye icon is there. If your device uses a micro SD card for saving photos, a better way to recover them is to remove the card. First remove your micro SD card from your phone device, and then connect it directly to your PC. How you will connect with PC? You have to take an card reader and just install in card reader, and then first you install this app in your browser. You take any browser and type there as disk digger for Windows, and then when it open, when the disk digger app open in your Windows, just you placed with this SD card, and then you retrieve data from your SD card. Okay, and here down option is there, full scan root required. See here in full scan, what happened? See here search for lost photos is there na. When we click on that search for lost photos, it will give us data of deleted from 6 to 1 year data. Okay, just latest data it will give, but we want entire data from device. When we purchase our device, that data, entire data we required. Okay, so what we have to do, just go for full scan root required, just click on it, and then you will get entire data from the past how many months or how many years we took. That entire deleted data will appear in your device. You can retrieve the entire deleted data till when? Till overwritten. Overwritten means, see my thing that this my device storage is only 2 GB. Okay, and it was already 1 GB data was present in my device, and now I loaded 2 GB additional data in my phone. So what will it will do? I added, capacity is 2 GB, and already 1 GB was there, and now I added 2 GB data. So what will it will do? It will load entire 2 GB, and it will vanish the data which was present, already present data 1 GB. It will vanish, and it will write on that entire data. Okay, so if you want entire data, you just click on full scan, and till the data overwritten, it will retrieve the entire data. Okay, till overwritten data it will retrieve. from starting. If overwritten didn't happen, then it will retrieve entire data from starting. Okay, and here option is there down, wipe free space. See, it is very important one, because when I see here I am having Samsung device, and now I want to sell this device because I have purchased iPhone and I want to delete this entire data, and I already loaded my entire data in my new iPhone, and I want to delete this data and I want to sell my Samsung. So what I'll do, I'll just click on delete, and then I'll delete the entire data from my phone. Then I'll go to shop and then I'll sell my phone. Okay, but no data is deleted permanently. No data is permanently deleted. It will store in your device, in your RAM. In your RAM, it will store entire data. So might be that shopkeeper might be retrieve your data, retrieve your deleted data, and he can store in and he can misuse it. So if you want to permanently delete the entire data, even deleted data, just go into wipe free space and click on that, and then what it will do, it will temporarily create 2 GB data. See, you have deleted 2 GB data. Okay, but shopkeeper can retrieve that 2 GB data na. So what this wipe free space will do, it will retrieve, it will recover some temporary files, and it will load in that 2 GB data. What it will do, it will overwritten, it will overwrite the entire data, whatever data present in RAM, it will vanish. It will slowly vanish. It will just temporarily, it will create some junk files in that, and it will vanish our data which was there, which was present in RAM, which was volatile data, which was not present data, which was volatile data, which we can't see with our eyes. We thought that it already deleted, but it was not deleted. So it will what this option will do, it will store all the data in that temporary files, it will store, and it will clear all our data which was in RAM. Okay, understood? It will clear, and it will vanish the entire data, so that no one can misuse our data. And we will now do practical. Search for lost photos. Just click on it. See here, scanning, 0 files found. It is scanning. It will take some time because it will read the entire data. It will remove the entire data from our device. It will slowly remove the entire data, whatever was present in our device. See here, scanning, 0 files found, but it will slowly read, and it will show our in our device that whatever deleted data was there, it will show. It will boxes will be appeared, and whatever files we have found, it will show, and we have to just click on it. And here down recover option is there na, just click on recover, and then it will show an options of do you want to transfer these files to your emails, do you want to recover these files in your WhatsApp, do you want to store your deleted files in your mails, etc. So see here, my deleted data has appeared, and just now I will click on first one option. I clicked, and then I clicked in recover. See here, how would you like to recover the files? Okay, how you like to recover, where you want to store your data. It is asking where I should store the data. See, recommended, it is recommending us. Save the files to an app on your device. Save the files in your app, such as, it will show us, such as email, Dropbox, Google Drive, etc. You want to store your deleted data of your phone in email, or you want to store your deleted data in your Dropbox, or you want to store in Google Drive? Where I should store? It is asking. And then next option, save the files to custom location on your device. Custom location, one location you select, and location, and you store in your device only. Where it will store? In your documents, files, file system will be there na. It is showing that I want to store in storage. Can I store in storage? You will need to find the files yourself and saving. Okay. Either you want to save in storage, either you want to save in emails, either upload the files to an SFTP server, or directly you want this data to store in your server. So personally I recommend you select an email option. Okay, you just select